Right now you've got furniture with fabric pills littered all over it, and you're absolutely not sure what to do about it. Do you remember what that piece looked like when you first bought it? Well, don't worry, because it can look like that again, and it's really easy, and I'm going to show you how. In this video, I'm going to discuss fabric pilling, what it is, how it happens, and how you can fix it. What's up, everybody? My name is Sean David Holler, and I'm here with Lazy Boy Southeast. Fabric pilling is a common question we get from a lot of our customers. So what is fabric pilling? So pilling is a common occurrence that happens in many households, and it's not a defect of the fabrics, it's not a defect of the manufacturer itself. It's very treatable. What causes fabric pilling? And the easy answer is friction. So essentially, whether you're getting up from the chair, you're sitting down in the chair, you're moving it all around, the friction is going to take those loose strands and it's going to twist them, and it's going to cause them to form this ball, and that's what we call fabric pilling. So it's a normal occurrence, and it will stop once the excess fibers have all gone away. It does not affect the durability or the functionality of the entire fabric or furniture itself. The quickest and the easiest way to fix your issue is to go ahead and get a battery-operated pill shaver. These are very affordable. You can find them in many different places, but if you look in our description, you'll find a link that brings you straight to Amazon to buy the exact pill shaver that I'm using in this video. So it may be a little difficult to see all the pills on this piece of furniture I have right next to me. I'm going to show you how to get in here and really get all this fabric out of here. Fabric pilling shouldn't be a primary concern when you're trying to pick out your upholstery, because it's going to happen no matter what for lots of different fabrics. Plus, you have your pill shaver now that you just purchased, and you know how to use it because you just watched this video. So now, all these problems are a thing of the past. You don't have to worry about it anymore. So that's all I have for you today, and hopefully I solved at least one of your issues. And don't forget to check out our Learning Center, where we have articles covering lots of stuff that you care about, whether it's home decor, interior design, issues like fabric pilling, everything. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. The more subscribers we get, the more videos we can post, the more interior designers I can bring on and design consultants I can bring on and talk about cool stuff that you care about.